Hello, and welcome to Easy Story Studio. Are you ready to practice your English with a beautiful story? Today, we will meet Leo. He is a baker in a quiet village, and today is a very special day. Sit back, relax, and let's listen to Leo the Baker and the Summer Festival.
This is Leo. Leo is a tall man. He is 30 years old. Leo lives in a small village. The village is near a big blue lake. The village is very quiet and peaceful. Leo is a very good baker. He makes bread and sweet cakes. He works in a big, warm bakery. He wakes up very early every morning. He wakes up at 4 o'clock. It is still dark outside. Leo turns on the lights in the bakery. He washes his hands with soap and water. He puts on a clean white apron. First, Leo makes the fresh bread. He mixes flour, water, and salt in a big bowl. He works very hard. He puts the bread in the hot oven. The oven is very big and black. The bread bakes for 1 hour. The bakery smells very good. The smell goes out into the street. People wake up and smell the fresh bread. Next, Leo makes the sweet cakes. He uses sugar, eggs, and milk. He likes making cakes very much. He makes chocolate cakes and vanilla cakes. He puts red strawberries on the cakes. The cakes look very beautiful.
Leo also sells hot drinks in his shop. He makes black tea and strong coffee. People like to drink them with their bread. The bakery has 2 small tables. The tables have nice yellow chairs. People can sit and eat their food here. Sometimes old men sit at the tables. They read the morning newspaper. They talk about the weather and the village. Leo likes to listen to their stories. He learns many things from the old men. They are very wise and kind. At 7 o'clock, Leo opens the bakery door. The sun is up in the sky. It is a new and happy day. Many people come to the bakery. They say good morning to Leo. They buy bread for their breakfast. A little girl comes into the shop. Her name is Lily. She has long brown hair. Lily points to a pink cake. "I want that cake, please," she says. Leo smiles and gives her the cake. Lily pays with a shiny coin. "Thank you, Leo," she says happily. She walks out of the bakery. On sunny days, Leo opens the big window. Fresh air comes into the warm bakery. It feels very nice and cool. Outside the window, there are pretty flower pots. The flowers are red, purple, and white. They need a lot of water every day. Leo waters the flowers with a green watering can. He takes good care of them. They grow big and beautiful in the sun. The village is a very friendly place. Everyone knows everyone else's name. They always say hello on the street. There is a small school in the village. The school is red with a white door. Children go there from Monday to Friday. After school, the children play in the park. They run and jump and shout. They are always full of energy. Leo has a special little friend. His friend is a small yellow bird. The bird's name is Pip. Pip lives in a tree near the bakery. He flies to the bakery window every morning. He sings a sweet, happy song. Leo opens the small glass window. He gives Pip some breadcrumbs. Pip eats the crumbs very quickly. Today is a very special day in the village. It is the day of the summer festival. Everyone is very excited. There is a big party in the park. There is loud music and dancing. There are many fun games for children. Leo has a big job today.
He must make a giant cake for the festival. It is a very important cake. He takes a very large mixing bowl. He puts 10 cups of flour into the bowl. He adds 20 fresh eggs. He mixes everything with a big wooden spoon. His arms are very tired, but he does not stop mixing. Leo pours the cake into a giant pan. He puts the pan into the hot oven. He waits for 2 long hours. Finally, the giant cake is ready. Leo takes it out of the oven carefully. It is very big and smells wonderful. Now, Leo must decorate the giant cake. He makes a lot of white sugar cream. He covers the whole cake with the cream. He puts colorful candies on top of the cake. He writes, "Happy Summer" with red icing. The cake is perfectly finished. It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. The festival is starting now. People are wearing their best clothes. Leo needs to take the cake to the park. The cake is very heavy. He cannot carry it alone. His good friend Mark comes to help. Mark is a strong farmer. He has a big green truck. Mark parks the green truck near the bakery. Leo and Mark lift the giant cake carefully. They put it in the back of the truck. Mark drives the truck very slowly. He does not want to drop the cake. Leo walks next to the truck. They arrive at the busy park. Many people are singing and laughing. Children are running on the green grass. The mayor of the village is there. He is wearing a tall black hat. He sees the giant cake and smiles. The mayor points to the cake. "Thank you, Leo," he says loudly. "You are a great baker." Leo and Mark put the cake on a long table. The table has a nice blue cloth. Everyone looks at the beautiful cake. The mayor cuts the giant cake with a long knife. He gives a piece to every person. The cake is very soft and sweet. "This is delicious," says a tall woman. "It is the best cake ever," says a young boy. Leo is very happy to hear this. Everyone eats the sweet cake and drinks cold lemonade. The sun is warm and the sky is clear. It is a perfect summer afternoon. Suddenly, Leo hears a familiar sound. He looks up at the tall green trees. He sees his little friend, Pip. Pip flies down to the long blue table. He looks at the giant cake. He wants to eat some cake too. Leo laughs and gives Pip a small piece. Pip eats the sweet cake quickly. He chirps a happy little song. In the evening, the festival ends. The sun goes down behind the mountains. The sky turns pink and orange. People walk back to their small houses. They are tired but very happy. It was a wonderful day for everyone. Leo goes back to his quiet bakery. He washes all the dirty bowls and spoons. He cleans the big wooden table. He is very tired after a long day. His feet hurt and his arms are heavy, but he has a big smile on his face. He turns off the lights in the bakery. He walks slowly to his small bedroom. He puts on his soft pajamas. Leo lies down in his comfortable bed. He thinks about the happy festival. He thinks about the giant, delicious cake. He closes his eyes and falls asleep quickly. Tomorrow will be another busy day. He will bake more fresh bread for the village.
And that is the end of our story. Leo had a very long but happy day. Did you like the giant cake? What is your favorite kind of cake? Tell us in the comments below. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe to Easy Story Studio for more easy English stories. See you next time!